And we got 10x multiplier from the top slot. Very nice, very cool.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Thank you, and I'll see you whenever I'll see you. Place your bets or don't place your bets, whatever makes you happy at the end of the day. Thought you were dead. Nah, bro. I've told you before, I'm immortal. Can't. I keep coming back. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. 2,500x, but just one player with $1 winner. I mean, if that is what lets you sleep at night, sure. 2x on Pachinko, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. There we go. Come on, see? I told you, it's not that bad. It's all a matter of attitude. So, ladies and gents, come right this way. We'll see how well will we do. Here's the hope, right? 200. Might even be a 400. You can never know with these things, right? Anyway, ladies and gents, 3 to begin with. Let's keep it moving. So we got 3, 7, 10s, 20, 25, 35, 50, 100, double with a 2x on top. That's actually not too shabby of a board. 200s, 200, maybe even a double. Hey, I mean, we'll see, right? We'll see. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's not too bad. Wishing you the best. Okay, this thing fell asleep. There we go. Ladies and gents, good luck. Let's go. Bro, when I put it back and now it wakes up, what is going on? Go right there. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued 814,550 for euros.
Congratulations, compliments, nicely done. 9,143 winners. Penguin, 60,000, then. 39,000. Lasad with 20,000. Look what you guys do. Congratulations, all of you. Let's go for the next round. See, things do tend to work out for us as well. Right? It's not always as bad as people make them out to be. You just have to believe. So, ladies and gents, good luck once more. Let's go. 3x on Pachinko. There we go.
Whoa, 20x on 10. Where's the 10? Can we? Please, please!
This is the amount of money issued 782,127 euros.
$6,200 winners with a 200 to 1. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Sweet. Awesome. Enjoy. 200 extra trade. Nice. Number 10. That's the top that we want to see. Can we get one more?
Probably at the beginning of the session, but yet already have seen 6 different types of segments out of 8 possibilities. It is the coin flip, 4 times top flip. Let's go. 4 coin flips on the wheel all over out of 54 segments. Hold on. Ooh la la, you got it. We do have a coin flip, everybody. Shall we? As hi there and welcome. 2 sides of the coin, 2 coin multis. Let's get them out. 2x up to the 100x, that might be. We got, 50 and a blue, 5 and a red, and a top slot 4 times. So guys, 20 against the 200, please. 200 with the blue side, come on.
This is the amount of money issued 759,277 euros.
That's what I'm talking about. We do have a 200x. Woo! There we go. 7,500 winners, even a first place. 137,000 win. Woo! That's what I understand. Happy Midsummer celebration from last week, guys. Congratulations. Absolutely beautiful. And we're moving farther on. Good morning and welcome all to you first in studio. The crazy time. My name is Marlena. How are you feeling?
And it's not real. It is real. Everything is real. I love Jim. I love cash hunt with the 7x, baby. Woo! Cristiano Ronaldo 7x, baby. You see, because Portugal won, so that's why cash hunt 7x. Because Cristiano Ronaldo number is 7 and 7x. So you see, guys, what do I? Very cool. 700x is really good. And And I mean, all others are amazing as well, guys, not gonna lie. So we're gonna hide and then you're gonna find it. That's because we love gym, guys. We are gym bros. Yeah, today is the day. Not sure for what though. Anyways, pick one of the things here. Chicken. What is that? A dog or something. What is circle or something? I don't know. Anyways, you pick one. Also pick gonna happen if not.
This is the amount of money issued 611,048 euros.
Side it is actually how much you 57,700 guys. That's really good, I think. 7,666 winners. Eva, Kiki, everybody else, great success. All right, guys, let's continue. Boom, 170. Very nice, guys. I like it. My life. I like it. Anyways, let's go. What about?
I mean, actually, that was original, something new, original. 4,050 winners. Any fun activities you want to do this summer? Something for the first time ever. Go surfing for the first time ever. Learn how to swim finally. 7x Crazy Time. So yeah, what's the plan? Any new activities you want to try out in the summer? Skydiving for the first time. Yes. Yo, whoa, hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen. 7x Crazy Time. Oh, this should be good. Zoe, come on. Sorry for the headphone users. Yo, look at the middle of the wheel. Check it out. The middle. Check the middle. There it is. Such a beauty. So, and we can get a triple as well. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Green, blue, yellow. Which flapper? That's a big choice. This round, that's a big, big choice. Make it good, guys. Come on. No pressure, yeah? 700x max multi. No pressure. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 919,431 euros.
So close to, okay, we had 105 on green, 175 blue, 350 on the yellow. Just, that's a crazy time everybody wants to see. Well done, 9.2 thousand winners. Woo! I'm gonna lose my voice like that. It's okay though. I will recover and get it back. Let's go, yeah.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having the crazy time of this session, and not a simple one, but with the top slot also 2x. Let's get back to big wins. Okay guys, let's open those red doors again. Ooh. Alright guys, welcome back to the crazy time. Alright, let's apply our 2x now from the top slot. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's your decision time. Choose your team, green, blue, or yellow. Well, like always, most of you love the blue. And the maximum is 200, so good luck to all of you.
This is the amount of money issued 118,134 euros.
The blue team with 200x, green, yellow 50. Goodbye, Rian. Congratulations, you're in top of the winners. You got 50. Okay, guys, welcome back. lucky Blink. Congratulations to all of you. 2,918 winners. Best for everyone. So again, let's spin it again. Also, welcome new players who just won a crazy time. Okay, pretty crazy now. Awesome. Let's close. You're welcome, you're welcome. That was a very lucky spin, guys.
Basic should be basic information, but you know. Ooh. Yo. This is a 7X cash hunt. Beautiful. Well, the biggest one is obviously going to be a 700X. I wish you guys best of luck. Beautiful. Let's do this. Very good chance for any good win in this situation. We'll see how this goes. We shall see. Do we have... Not a single obvious target. Interesting. So I really wonder where it's going to be the 700X. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to even see it when we reveal it because there's so much yellow. But we'll see. We'll see. Just trying to find it. Best of luck.
This is the amount of money issued 47,396 euros.
700X win. Congratulations. Back to the wheel. Lola. No, I'm not Lola. I am a sexy Lolo. I am a sexy Lolo. Don't mix it up. Let's see what's next.
Babu, ciao, 5 minutes special compliment. Boy, don't leave. Place a bit of body. Let's now continue. Alright. Let's take a look. What do we got? Maybe we're gonna get something good today. I hope so. Alright. Take a look. Like cash hunt with a 10x now. Hey, cash hunt might be it. It might be. And it is, ladies and gentlemen, cash hunt with a 10x. There we go. All right. What's up? Let's go. Boom, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at Cash Hunt. What? So all of you as well. This is the game. We got a lot of multipliers, a lot of everything. As always, you know how it is. And we got 10x multiplier from the top slot. Very nice. Very cool. 1000x is the biggest multiplier we can get. Let's pull the little lever. Let's take a look. What do we got? Baby? All right. So now it's just shuffling up, doing everything, you know, blah, 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 whatever. And decision time starts now. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't want to decide yourself, that's all fine. Don't worry, you can always let auto pick decide for you. Let's take a look. What do we got? A few more seconds, then we'll know. All right, Teddy, let's get the 1000x, Teddy. Let's get the 1000x.
This is the amount of money issued 92,616 euros.
Woohoo, guys, pretty good. 90 people got 1,000. 90 people, 1,321 solo winners. Wow. And then with the 1000x, biggest loss with the 1000x as well. Absolutely amazing. So what do you get, Teddy? What did you get? 100x? 100x is still good. Bets now closing down. 70x, not too bad, guys. Could have been worse, guys. We could have got like 10x, you know? Pachinko with it.
Now we got crazy time with 5x multiplier in the top slot. Come on. Woohoo! We got crazy time with 5x top slot multiplier. Woohoo! How exciting! Yes. Woohoo! Welcome, dear players, to Crazy Time bonus. How exciting is that? Crazy time for us! Yes, finally! Alright, now let's multiply everything by 5 times. Let's do that! Boom! Look at the magic! Alright, now it's your decision time. Choose from 3 colors. Of course, as you know, green, blue, or yellow. Pick your flopper. Now max multiplier 500x. Good luck!
This is the amount of money issued 109,926 euros.
To the winners and to Ram, Ash, Sotab for being top 3 winners. How exciting was the Crazy Time bonus? Wow! Bets are now closed.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.